Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Let's start today's chemistry class. Look here. You can see a lot of creatures over here. You know, all these creatures need air for respiration. From where they get the air? Yes, we have already learned that there is air around us. This air is used by all of us. We have also learned an experiment to prove that there is air around us. So all these creatures are using air from our surroundings. Now look here. These are some of the aquatic animals. Do they breathe? Yes, of course. The aquatic organisms also respire. From where they get the air? Yes, you all know that there is dissolved air in water. Can you prove that there is dissolved air in water? We are going to learn an experiment to prove that
air is dissolved in water.
Let's move on to the experiment.
Take some water in a vessel. Heat it slowly. Before the water begins to boil, look carefully at the inner surface of the vessel. We can see tiny bubbles on the inside. These bubbles come from the air dissolved in water. When you heat the water, to begin with, the air dissolved in it escapes. As you continue heating, the water itself turns into vapor and finally begins to boil.
So dear children, now you understood that air is dissolved in water also. So this air is used by aquatic organisms. Now look here. You can see certain organisms which are living in soil. Do they breathe? Yes. From where they get air?
Air is present in the soil also. The organisms that live inside the soil and the plant roots respire in this air present in the soil itself. Now we are going to learn an experiment to prove that air is present in the soil. Look here. Take some soil in a beaker. Add water to it. And note what happens. Do you see bubbles coming out from the soil? These bubbles indicate the presence of air in the soil. When the water is poured on the lump of soil, it displaces the air which is seen in the form of bubbles. So dear children, you understood that there is air present in the soil also. So now you all know that air is not only present in the atmosphere but also present in water and soil also. Now there is a question for you. Look here. Why do earthworms come out of the soil during heavy rains? So dear children, find out the answer for this question. Let's discuss the answer for this question
in next interactive session. Thank you.